دونك عسلامة، مرحبا بكم الناس الكل. هذه لا بريزونطاسيون تاع التريمستر الاولى في النيفو EV3-2. النيفو هذا هو النيفو الثاني في الماتريال EV3. باش قدموا لنا الابطال. باش نبداو سي محمد عزيز، هو باش يكون اول واحد. تفضل.
Mr. President, dear parents, we have the honor and the pleasure to present to you today our project. During the first trimester at Junior Robotic Academy, we completed the manufacturing and programming of an Explorer robot, Explorer V6. The next mission of the past year was connecting iron ore for the construction of the building of our GRI colony. The goal for this year is to build an entire city on Mars called GRI City. For this purpose, we will build robots capable of collecting and generating more resources in order to build the different sectors of our GRI city and ensure survival on Mars. In order to accomplish this mission in 2 minutes and 30 seconds, we build a robust composite, a universal base with several extensions.
So, in order to determine the necessary components of the robot base, we made the fast diagram. Function analyzes the system technique. The main function of the base is to activate the extension. For this, the robot has to move by using 2 servo motors. It has to activate the effectors via 2 medium motors. The third technical function to steer with the gyro sensor. Also, it has to it has to follow the black line and the colors by using the technological solution 2 color sensors. After vast maneira, a large ice rock was detected in the Arcadia Planetary region. So our mission was to go to Arcadia Planetary region and to bring the big blue rock to the water tank.
To find mechanical solution, we did a brainstorming. Each group suggested solutions that were distant or the board together we chose the most effectiveness. Solution we have chosen as our solution to manufacture a level R-based system. Then the extension we have made is composite of deliver grid system, Groupe system, fixing walls, after testing the extension, After testing the extension, we noticed that the medium motor torque is not strong enough to lift the end effector. In order to remedy this problem, we added a gear system to increase the motor torque. In order to increase the motor torque, we have to install the small gear as input and the large gear wheel as output. In order to derive these, we calculate the torque of the effector and then the recurrent transmission ratio in order to have the motor torque higher than the effector torque. The torque of the effector was calculated using the following formula. The torque C equals F times G. F is the force and G is the distance between this force and the axis of rotation. G is the distance can be measured with a ruler. And this is how to calculate force. In our example, the force that will cause the wheels to move is the force of gravity. P, which is equal to M times G. M is the mass in kilogram, measured using a ring scale. And G is the constant of gravity equals to 9.89 newtons per kilogram. So in our case, the torque C equals M times G times D. Once we have calculated the end effector torque, we have to calculate the transmission ratio, which is equal to the output torque divided by the input torque. And finally, we determined the degree to be asked to be dividing the number of theta of the output degree by the number of theta of the output degree. The ratio generated by this degree must be close to the transmission ratio we have found. Before programming the robot, we made the follow chart that allows us to represent in a rotary why the action that the robot must do. In this program, we used a while loop, which allows action to be repeated until the condition becomes true. Now, I will present to you a demonstration. This is the first version of the robot without improving the motor torque. As you can see, the robot couldn't lift the rock because the power given by the motor lever arm is not enough. And this one is the final version after the improvement of the motor torque using a gear system. Thank you for your attention.
دونك باش نعطيو لي زاتيستاسيون الابطال بلا يعطيكم الصحه بريزونطاسيون تاعكم برشا نعرف عملتوا فيها برشا ايفور تستحقوا كلكم تتعداو للنيفو اللي بعد. دونك باش نبداو نعطيكم لي زاتيستاسيون باش نديكم في واحد. اول واحد محمد عزايز، برافو بطل. بعد سي محمد نصيري، تصفيق عليه. وبعد سي يوسف زاد كيف حتى تصفيق عليه. بعد عندنا سي قيس بالقادي تصفيق عليه. وخالد مقراني برافو خالد. ومريم نصيري برافو مريم. ثم عندنا نيلا يزيدي برافو نيلا. واخيرا عندنا سي ياسين يونسي برافو ياسين. دونك سيونس اللي اخر سيونس في التريمستر هذايا، ان شاء الله باش نرجعوا في نهار 8 جونفي في التريمستر الثاني ان شاء الله. دونك سيونس جاي 8 جونفي مش باش نقراو توا حتى العام.